Is YouTube down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I want to talk with you about YouTube because many people are complaining about the YouTube app. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. If you try to go to Twitter and if you search for YouTube down, and then if you go to latest, you will see that many people are complaining with the YouTube app and the YouTube website also. People are complaining non-stop, as you can see here. Mr. Y says fix the app. Varsha also says, can you please fix the problem? So if you want to try to fix the YouTube app or the YouTube website, you should try to restart your device, log out, and then log in again. You can also go to settings from your phone settings, clear all the cache and the data, and then see if it works. But if it still doesn't work, you have to know that this problem, it's not from you, it's just a problem from YouTube, and they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with YouTube app or the website, you can comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, with your questions, what is not working for you, what specific problem you are having, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another update. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.